jopuonj mar Nat gi Kupet bade ma Nyamira ochwalo ng'ur margi e wi mbui ma NEMIS mag sikunde makono ka giwacho ni owe oko ndikruok jopuonje mag grade 4 kod 5 ma koro kelo midhiero mar omenda e skunde. Kano wuoyo chieng' tich abich odiechieng' e somo e sub-kaunti mar Nyamira North, apisas mag riwruogno wacho ni omenda moket thenge ne sikunde omakore gi ripot mantiere e mbui mar NEMIS. Jod bura ma Ramogi Rango North Joas Nyamoka owacho ni sikunde mang'eny e Nyamira mondo gol ripot e wi wachno, kokwayo migawo mar somo mondo rang wachno moriere mondo mi ogeng' chandruoge ma sikunde kale kotenore gi weche mag omenda.
All want like an armed man grave, and they left me when I was very young. It was
our father who was assassinated.
Capitation in schools is a thorn in the flesh. Recently, grades 4 and 5 were blatantly and systematically rejected by the NEMIS system. I want to say that our heads of institutions are facing rough time, especially at this time, in managing educational issues in their institutions.
We want to plead with the CS that our schools are staffed and the principals are unable to manage our schools. Kindly let the man come to schools so that our students can get quality education.
Mambo ya capitation nimeelezewa hata na walimu wengine ambao wamekuja wakaongea na mimi. Hilo ni jambo ambalo linastahili kuangaziwa ili tuhakikishe ya kwamba linatatuliwa.
I want to request the parents, though we are going through an economic hardship or we are going through economic constraints, to support the principals and the head teachers by providing something small to the kitty of the school so that the principals and head teachers can be capable of buying a few supplies which shall keep the school going until when the economy of the country is sorted out.